Hello beautiful people, welcome in a new episode today of the blockchain today, where we are going to have a look at the Bitcoin price action in the shorter term time frame, but also I'm going to show you at what kind of important crossroads Bitcoin is trading right now. So let's jump straight into it. Guys, if you like these videos, make sure to leave a thumbs up, spread positive energy. It's very, very important for the crypto space right now, basically for everyone. We got to set our intention, make it positive, and yeah, it will definitely help us in our journey too. So what we are seeing with Bitcoin is that we had a falling wedge formation right here. We broke out to the upside, got quite a pump in the price, but the next 4 hourly candle dumped the complete price again, and right now we are bouncing. We tested the former resistance as support right now and bouncing from this level. So is Bitcoin looking strong? Well, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. This price action is pretty difficult to predict, and I like some definite rules in place. So I really like the strategy. Above the 4 hour EMA ribbon is long, below the 4 hour EMA ribbon is short. So right here I'm going to be slightly careful, as we're not really trading above this ribbon. And so far this ribbon could still act as resistance, right? So I'm going to be slightly bearish until Bitcoin breaks above it. I am very much aware of the fact that there is liquidity above us at 27,500. So if we go right here to the, let's say to the weekly chart right here, will take some time to load the liquidation heat map. Then we can see that above us at 26,800 right here. This changes also per day, depending on which exchange you are looking. But we can see that the liquidity is above us, right? So there was Binance. Let's have a look at Bybit. What's going on over there? We can also see the liquidity is above us at 26.8k. While we actually already had a tap into that liquidity level, because this used to be yellow, right? So this is also something that I've shared over on Will Alerts. Right here we were saying like, okay, most likely we will be going down, tapping into that liquidity, because we had this yellow line right here. Then we did tap into that liquidity. We even went a little bit lower than expected, because we were expecting 26.2k. No, we did come down to 26k, and then we talked about the liquidity above us, 26.8k. We did touch that liquidity. So, yeah, as you can see, we got liquidity above us. We also got liquidity below us. Like I said, I think right now it's very difficult to make definite statements on what is happening with Bitcoin in the shorter term time frame, because structure, Bitcoin is not looking all too bullish. We're not trading above like 4 hour EMA ribbon, for example. This little bit longer term time frame structure also hasn't been able to break above that resistance, so we are trading definitely below some resistance levels. We can see that the funding rates are positive, but they do come down, so that is also a little bit confusing. So yeah guys, there's no clear direction in today's video, and that's also, we gotta be honest about that. Sometimes it's better to take a step back and to let price action resolve itself. Making no trade is also basically doing a trade, right? If you're making no trade, it is also a decision. It doesn't mean you have indecisiveness or what to do. Should I long, should I short? I have to be in a trade. No, making no trade can also be a profitable decision, and a lot of people don't realize that. But yeah, like we're saying on this chart, the stablecoin dominance is very much important, because three important support levels are converging right here. I still expect this one to bounce to the upside and Bitcoin to come down. I will definitely change my bias whenever this one is breaking down, and I'm happy to change my bias because I'm getting evidence that the reality that I'm anticipating is changing. So I see something else unfolding, which actually instantly lowers my risk when I'm changing bias. And that is also so important in trading. At least that's what I'm learning, guys. Stick with the data, and once the data is changing, be able to change the way you view the markets too. So let the data decide how you are going to look at the markets, and not like, don't try to look at the markets too emotionally, like, yeah, I want this to happen, or I'm already 1 month in a short, whatever. I just want the price to come down, or I just want the price to go up. Make sure that you make the decisions based on data, and maybe also a little bit based on your gut feeling. I think gut feeling is also very important, but it should be backed up by data. You have to have somewhat of a structure in your way of making decisions, right? Otherwise it's getting really confusing. Then you're flipping from longs to short and you're paying fees on all these trades, which is again not profitable. So yeah, guys, this is basically what we are seeing right now with Bitcoin. No clear direction, but we are at important crossroads. I do think, guys, also I want to share with you this chart from the previous 60-day cycle low. We are right now roughly, I would say 38 days in. Yeah, 38 days in. So we got 3 weeks left to the next 60-day cycle low. I expect that level would be lower than this low. Best case scenario, it would be the same level if you ask me right now. So yeah, this is also what I'm watching. But like I said, I'm also aware that there is some liquidity or some liquidations above at 27,500. If we can break 26.6k decisively, we can break above this declining resistance. This white line right here, we definitely get maybe a little bit more of a push in the Bitcoin price. But like I said, I'm going to be careful and I'm going to be slightly conservative right now. But I'm also going to be honest and saying that price predictions in the shorter term time frame right now for Bitcoin are very, very difficult. And sometimes it is also okay to take a step back and to wait some things out that can be sometimes a more profitable period than trying to be completely active in the markets while you don't have a grip or an edge. This is really important. We need an edge, we need a grip. There's no clear signs right now of what is going to happen. But if it would be my best guess would be most likely we will go down unless we can break above the 4-hour EMA ribbon. Then we most likely have a little more potential upside. Guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below so we can stay connected during this whole bull market and during all this time. Very important. Also, if you like to join Will Alerts, which is a private Telegram channel where you can receive extra information on the cryptocurrency markets, you can do so for free by joining a exchange down below, either Bybit or BitGet, and be an active trader. Then you can apply for Will Alerts. Make sure when you apply for Will Alerts that you have you already met the requirements before applying, because we will check it from our end. Also make sure that your Telegram settings allow that you are being put into a private channel, because often I see people they basically apply for Will Alerts, but I cannot put them in the channel because their privacy settings won't allow that. Okay, guys, later today we will see what's going to happen with Bitcoin. Next update is tomorrow. I wish you all a beautiful day today. Thank you all for watching, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.